Welcome to this second in a series of videos from the amazing Bergen. Today you'll find this landscape photographer in the heart of the city. I'll be exploring the amazing old town and the surrounding forests, and I'll be capturing images and presenting those to you today that embrace this location and hopefully will go some way to also inspiring you in your own photography. And to me, that's about trying to capture unique details that really do go beyond those holiday snaps. And as we enter Bergen's old town, we're immediately transported to a bygone era. Founded in the 12th century, this era of Bergen known as Bergen, I hope that I've said that correctly by the way, is just a maze of old alleys, wooden structures, very colourful, absolutely superb for photography. And today in these short galleries, I really hope to share some images with you that can capture the essence of this location. And we'll also go to the forests that surround Bergen as well. Our first stop is going to be the amazing Bergen Wharf, the heart and soul of the old town, and this is the frontage. And then after this gallery, we'll go into the alleyways and the buildings themselves. Before getting into the depths of Bergen, let's set the scene with some reflection shots during the day and at night. And a couple just setting the scene on the streets during the storm. These centuries-old buildings are absolutely stunning for photography, as I've mentioned, and they've had centuries of trade and commerce. And now they're home to hotels, shops, cafes, etc. And they're very much a tourist mecca. So what I'm trying to do in these galleries is try to capture this a little bit differently than the, if you like, the standard holiday snaps. And maybe that will give you some inspiration for when you're on location yourself. And what really struck me about the Bergen buildings were the roofs and the walls, not just the colours. And the important thing that I really saw here was to look up. And here I've captured a series of more abstract images taken from up high, looking at and above the actual buildings. But Bergen's old town isn't just about the frontage. It's about going into the alleyways and discovering the hidden courtyards and trying to capture the essence and the history of this location. So let's now get into the detail, down the alleys, in the courtyards, and this is a series of images that I captured whilst wandering through these. And again, the important thing is to look up and capture the detail. Feel free to let me know so far what your favourite images are in the comments below, but there's a lot more to come yet. And who doesn't love a bit of humour? And being a landscape photographer, I couldn't help myself but to go into the forests above Bergen. The storm passing through and the misty conditions made for some absolutely great shots. So I'm really going to leave you with this short gallery now. Please remember to like this video, absolutely amazing if you've enjoyed it. And remember to subscribe to my channel, your support is absolutely massive. And of course, these help with YouTube. So without further ado, let's have a look at the final images that I captured in the forest around Bergen. And what's not to love about autumn colours in a misty forest. I'll leave you with these final few images. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you soon.